Hello and welcome to Boardable. In this video, we'll guide you through creating and managing meeting minutes. Minutes in Boardable can only be created or edited by organization admins, meeting owners, and meeting collaborators. Before publishing, minutes can only be viewed by organization admins, meeting owners, creators, and meeting collaborators. After publishing, minutes can be viewed by all invited admins, members, and observers. By default, minutes are not provided to guests. However, you can choose to send them to guests during publication. We are going to discuss how to create minutes from the meeting page and Boardable video for both single and multi-day meetings. To create meeting minutes from the meeting page, navigate to the desired meeting's meeting page. Click the Minutes tab and choose between Start from Scratch, Start from the Agenda, or Start from AI-generated minutes. Starting from scratch opens a blank Edit Minutes field. This option allows for a fully customizable experience similar to traditional Word documents. Starting from the agenda imports the current agenda into the Edit Minutes field and will compile the agenda items from all days into one continuous list. Starting from AI-generated minutes, we'll create a template with the meeting title, meeting details, discussion topics, action items, and next steps, all with the names of speakers and people responsible for action items. To create meeting minutes in Boardable video, join the Boardable video conferencing session. Click the Minutes button, the pencil on paper icon, from the meeting content menu on the left side of the conferencing screen. Choose to start from scratch or start from the agenda. Next, we will explore the additional options available while editing the meeting minutes. These options are available both if you have started from scratch or from the agenda. To access these options, you can click the plus sign to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. These options include various formatting tools and dynamic options such as attendance, votes, tasks, and decisions. First, we will review how to add a header with meeting information, which can provide context at the top of your minutes. To add a header, click the plus sign to drop down entry types. Select Meeting Info from the drop-down menu. This adds the organization logo, name of the organization as a large header, title of the meeting as a smaller header, date and time of the meeting in plain text. To move the section, use the arrows to reposition the section or the X to delete. Attendance can be tracked directly within the meeting minutes. To add attendance, click the plus sign to drop down entry types. Select attendance from the drop-down menu. The names of meeting invitees will populate. Click the drop-down next to each invitee's name and select the desired attendance option, present, remote, or not present. Type any desired notes beneath each attendee's name. To move the section, use the arrows to reposition the section or the X to delete. When the PDF version of minutes is generated, attendance is divided into two sections, members and guests. Each section is organized into present, absent, remote, and notes. If any subsection has no invitees with the matching attendance status, that subsection does not appear. Next, we will review how to add votes. Votes allow you to record yes or no votes within the minutes, which is useful for documenting motions. To add votes, click the plus sign for the drop-down menu, then scroll down and select Vote. Click the drop-down next to each member's name to select the appropriate option. All member invitees are listed separately from guests. Type any relevant notes regarding the member and/or voting. To move the section, use the arrows to reposition the section or the X to delete. When the PDF version of minutes is generated, voters are listed under yes, no, or abstain. Meeting participants without a response are not listed. Decisions can be used for votes or any time the need to provide a clear record of outcomes discussed during the meeting. To add a decision, click the plus sign for the drop-down menu, then scroll down and select Decision. Start typing the decision text. To move the section, use the arrows to reposition the section or the X to delete. When the PDF version of minutes is generated, decision text is displayed as entered. Another dynamic option is the ability to add tasks. Tasks created within the meeting minutes are also accessible from the Tasks page. To add a task, click the plus sign for the drop-down menu, then scroll down and select Task. Enter a description of the task to be completed. Assign one or multiple users from the available drop-down. Click on each person's name that should be included in the task. To remove a user, click their name again. Select a due date for the task. To move the section, use the arrows to reposition the section or the X to delete. When the PDF version of minutes is generated, tasks are identified with a clipboard icon. Next, we'll cover how to publish meeting minutes, edit them after publishing, and request signatures to approve the minutes. Click Publish Minutes. The Publish Minutes menu pops out. To send attendees a notification linking to the minutes, click Notify attendees that the minutes have been published to fill the checkbox. Click Publish. The meeting minutes are now published. Please note, once minutes are published, they cannot be unpublished, but even after publishing, minutes can still be edited. To edit published minutes, navigate to the desired meeting page. Click the Minutes tab. Click Edit Minutes. The Minutes editor will open. Make the desired changes to the minutes. Once changes are made, these changes are auto-saved. If your organization requests for a signature on documents, minutes signatures allow organizations to note the approval of minutes for each meeting. This feature is available only for professional and enterprise accounts. When signatures are requested for minutes, a PDF of the minutes as they exist at the time of the request is placed in the following locations: the Signatures section of the Document Center, and the Documents tab of the meeting page. To invite a user to sign a meeting's minutes, click Get Signatures. The Get Signatures menu opens. Click Select to drop down signee options. Click the desired signee from the expanded options. The selected signee's name is added to the Get Signatures menu. To select multiple signees, click the caret next to the previously selected signee's name and add more signees. To deselect a signee, click the X next to their name. Click Submit. The selected signees will receive a notification inviting them to sign, and a PDF of the minutes will be placed in the Signatures section of the Document Center. Please note, only meeting invitees can be invited to sign a document. Only the organization admin, meeting creator, meeting collaborator, or meeting admin can request signatures on minutes. When signatures are requested, users receive an email to their inbox and can sign from the Document Center, meeting page, or notifications. Once minutes are signed, they are saved to the meeting. That's it for managing meeting minutes in Boardable, including editing, publishing, and signing. Use these features to ensure your meeting minutes are properly documented and approved. Need additional support? Reach out to us at support@boardable.com. Thanks for watching. We're here to help you drive your mission forward.